Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for a while. And definitely some interesting dynamics here going on. First update, and I need to squeeze down the chart here for this one to just kind of explain what had happened today. But going into the day, you had this gap close location right here at at the $18 mark, and this is coming from all the way back in here of November of last year. So you can see right here, that was a clear level of resistance when it was broken with the gap up. That created the gap, and today that level, the gap closed, but with the closing of the gap, the price just continued on down. Now, this is where the update comes into play, and this will be a very key level going into next week, and this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So in any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, $18 will be public enemy number one that the price will have to fight through. In the event the price can get up through that level, next area of resistance after that is that purple line there, which on my chart denotes a very well-known 50-period moving average, and the current value of that is at $18.60. So those will be the two areas of support going forward. And then as far as levels of support are concerned, for this, I'm just going to go to the daily time frame because it's been a while since the price has been down this low. But from the support side of things, next key area of support to keep an eye on going forward, right there at right around $17.15. So the big, then the other big break that occurred today was the break of that pink line there, the 200-day simple moving average, which again, even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of that level and you know that it's a very important level. So not a good way to close out the week at all. There's very clearly some downwards momentum, but the price has a track record here around 17.15. So if the price does head down there, we'll see if it can generate some sort of bounce back to the upside. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.